if you are looking for a clear coat that does not yellow the nails, I have something for you. Now, the claims are quite over the top in my opinion. I don't think this base coat is able to rebuild anything, but it's a very gentle polish that does not stain the nails yellow, which is amazing. Because according to a chemist, it's the nitrocellulose in the polishes that yellows the nail plate. And this study also shows that polish can oxidize the keratin in the nail plate. So it could be the nitrocellulose that's causing this. I've been wearing it exclusively for a few months now, and almost all the yellowing that happened when I wore other clear nail polishes is basically grown out. And the surface of my nails is also very healthy. So very sadly, this poor base coat has bad reviews, and I think it's because nitrocellulose-free polishes do not have the same bond to the nail plate, and they tend to peel. I think initially the base coat peeled after a few days, but since I started using OPI repair mode, it really sticks to my nails and I don't get the peeling anymore. So I don't really use it as a base coat. I just use it as a clear coat in one coat only. And it takes about 5 minutes to repolish my nails. A bit of a warning, this base coat kind of smells different. I don't know how it smells, but it's just a little different, so don't be alarmed. It takes about 5 minutes for this to dry, so it's not very quick drying. It comes in a nice bottle with a fantastic brush, and it's not expensive. My advice is buy this as soon as you can, because I have a feeling that it will get discontinued. If you've used it, please share your experience. It's easily available in Europe, and I found it from one supplier in the US, and the links are in the description box.